Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to blur your background on Flipgrid. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you'd like to blur your background on Flipgrid while recording responds, first go click open your web browser and type in the URL flipgrid.com and enter. Log into your Flipgrid account if necessary. And once you are in, go and click open any one topics from the options displayed on the screen and now open up your camera. To open up your camera, you'll need to go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right and require a response. Click on the record response button from the drop-down, which will open up your camera screen. Now once you open up your camera screen on your Flipgrid, you need to go and click on the Effects button. From the Effects tab, click on Filters. From the multitudes of filters that are displayed on the screen, you can go ahead and choose either the bricks option or the pixelated option. Once you click it on, as you can see that your screen has been blurred out. Unfortunately, I'll have to tell you that there is no option on the grid camera whatsoever to blur your background. To be able to use the blur effect, you need to blur your entire screen while recording a response on Flipgrid. That is the only feature that has been rolled out yet on Flipgrid. So for the time being, all you can use is the bricks option or the pixelated option. But these options will blur out your screen entirely on the Flipgrid camera. That is all the features that you can use for blurring options on the grid yet, so I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.